Hi guys, welcome to Washing Machine. We are going to is for my hand there. Yes, there we go.
This way.
Oh, there we go. Now you just have, all you have to do in this game is do this. Like this, please enter the machine. And you're supposed to do that.
See me along.
And there we go. And then look at my head. It's going so fast.
That's pretty cool. What's happening there? How long are you in the washing machine for?
I did. Okay, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
Whoa!
0.
Let's go out. Deceleration. Tell you what. Goodness me. Your legs and arms.
Now let's go in a giant one. Here you go.
Giant one, isn't it?
Yes.
That's me.
Whoa!
Have you ragdolled yet?
Yes.
That's what you do, is you just move around now. Are you in the dryer?
Yeah.
Right, okay, so that's why it's not filling with water. Okay, that's weird, isn't it?
Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's like I'm struggling to get to that yellow bit.
Yeah, like you're struggling to get to the door, isn't it? Because you ragdoll like a cheeseburger. Like a cheeseburger.
Somebody said that I only have one arm and one leg.
Well, you've only got one arm on that, haven't you? Unless they're needing real life.
Well, not anymore. Dad, look at me.
What you all like that until you get back.
Look.
Oh, you're stuck on the door.
No, I don't have any arms.
Oh, so let you dry now, isn't it?
Well, it's ragdoll, so okay.
Checker's not fire. I see, you can still move around even if you're being ragdolled.
Whee! Uh-oh.
What? Your legs trapped outside?
Nah!
Put the chips. Put the chips and cheese and onions. Wait, I'm gonna go and get myself a drink.
Whoa. Can you bring me one too, please?
Water? Or
Yeah.
squash?
Squash, please.
Is there any squash you
Wow.
don't? Is there any squash you don't?
Wow. Please.
You don't have a do
No,
that.
I do like it.
You do?
Can I have it, please?
I'll get a squash. Lemon line, okay? Is that Jesus and Christ? Who uses this drink here in a purple cup and how old is it?
I don't know.
See, get the boys out. Drink! Drink!